I'm doing today. We're gonna make a delicious 1-minute brownie in a mug. Yes, 1 minute only. But the prep time is 5 minutes, 1 minute to make it in microwave, a total of 6 minutes. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. A 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, so it's packed already, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 3 tablespoons of flavorless oil, so any oil, canola oil, sunflower, or olive oil, a 3 tablespoons of water, pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of chocolate chips. Yes. And of course you need a mug and a measuring cup. So you have an instruction as well in your package. Okay. And as you can see, you only have these 3 in your package, and the rest you can find in your kitchen. So to start with, in a microwavable mug, okay, roughly 1 measurement, mix together all the ingredients. So I'm gonna start with the flour, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put it in the mug. So just put everything there because I already measured it. Next, have the brown sugar. Then the cocoa powder. Have the oil. Water. A pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna measure it a little bit. Vanilla extract. So I'm gonna use my measuring cup. It's gonna be 1.5 teaspoons. Just 1.5 teaspoons. Yep. And the last thing you're gonna put is your chocolate chip. As you notice, it's more than what we need, and the rest you can eat it for snack. Okay? And then I'm just gonna mix it together, all the ingredients. So if ever you don't wanna make it right away, you can put it away in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Just gonna mix it, and you just wanna see in there. Mix all the ingredients together.
Looks good enough to eat already.
So I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. So it depends on your microwave. So it's based on the 1200 watts of microwave. And just make sure you're gonna keep an eye on it so we won't overflow or overcook. So we're gonna set it for 1 minute for me and press start. All right? And we'll just wait. And just to let you know, you can serve it with ice cream or just the cake by itself. And for next week, watch out because we're gonna make an ice cream. Yes, we're gonna experiment how to make an ice cream. Right? Sounds good? Woohoo! I'm excited. Oh my gosh. I love chocolate.
Brownies are my personal favorite. So.
Oh yes, definitely. And you can also make it other flavor. Just you can go YouTube for other flavor or Pinterest or Google. There's a lot of ways to do it. But what I'm excited about is like for 1 minute you can make a cake or brownie in a mug, right? Excited? Woohoo! I think I'm gonna make more. Hopefully Stacey won't eat mine.
Yes. No, you have to make me one too.
Okay. Well, yes, the boss said. All right. So let's see. Let's look for it. You think we?
It smells delicious.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And we have to wait for 5 minutes to cool it off. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. So look at your clock or time it for 5 minutes. And then there you go, you can eat it. You can put whipped cream, ice cream with it. So again, enjoy and see you guys. Enjoy your brownie in a mug.